furniture here. This is a buffet table, and you can use it in your kitchen to store your kitchen stuff on, or you can also use it in a lot of different areas, including the bathroom or living room, for different kinds of storage. So I have this with some kitchen appliances, some knives and cups. It has these hooks on the side too, so you can hang either some pans or some cups or something off the side here. There's on both sides. It's a really pretty wood design here, really modern and classy looking. So this would look great in any home.